Hello, CS50. We are Basma Muhammad and Karim Ghazi from Egypt, and this is our final project, Ducktors. Ducktors is a Python terminal program that simulates a hospital system. In this video, we will go through these phases, main features, frameworks, program in action, and let's get started. For our first feature, the authentication system. We have stored users' login information in the CSV file. Each time the program is launched, it prompts the users to log in with their email and password. Here is a screenshot of the program behavior when failing to include the correct password. And now for the appointment scheduling system. Patients can easily schedule an appointment for tomorrow with any doctor from the available specification as per their need. The screenshot below demonstrates the full appointment scheduling process. Lastly, with the report writing feature. Doctors can choose any of their patients' reports to finish. A finished report is one that has a doctor notes. And here, how this process is done. Well, we have used multiple frameworks in this creation of this project, starting with the live share extension that allowed easier collaboration between us, Colorama library for colors, email validation library, well, self-explanatory, and the PyFilter library for creating Amazon ASCII art. Let's head to the next section.
In this part of the video, I'll walk you through some of the program's key features in action. Let's begin by creating an account. Now that we have our own patient account, let's schedule an appointment, shall we? Done. Here we can view all of our receipts. Let's try logging in as a doctor. We are in. Let's finish our reports. The report has been completed indeed. If we switch back to our patient account, we should be able to see it. And here it is. My report is ready. Although it looks like I accidentally uninstalled print.exe instead of hunger.exe. Interesting.